what's interesting to me is that the typical dental practice is so inefficient and so unprofitable. Actually, 68 to 72% is the average profitability, is the average overhead, which means that if you take, say 50% overhead and you add 30%, or I'm sorry, you take 68 to 72 and you add 30% doctor compensation to it, then you're looking at, 2 to negative 2% profitability is the average dental practice in the United States. If you could just learn, like in an afternoon, some of the basics of how to read a financial report and how to plug some of those holes, you can go from negative 2% profitability to 22% profitability without doing any more dentistry. And I don't think there's anything unethical about capturing more of the money that flows through your practice that you've already earned. And there's nothing more ethical about being less profitable. It's just like, when people say, there's nothing patriotic about paying more taxes if you're living within the tax code. There's nothing, unethical about being more profitable for the dentistry that you're already doing. I mean, I could talk about this forever, but it just drives me crazy that people are like, oh, all you're doing is focusing on money. It's like, no, I'm focusing on the money that you deserve to put in your pocket or to allocate towards your kids' education or paying down your mortgage or donating to your church or missionary dentistry,
paying down your student
debt. Paying down your student debt. You don't have to be irresponsible with the profit that you derive, but it should be your choice, right?